Now that we have the independent variables that we want, we need to bring them all together in the same data table for the purpose of modeling performance. To do this, first select the data table that contains the dependent variable you want to model. In our example, this is electricity consumption. Under Step 3, Data Processing in the ribbon, click Merge. In the dialog box, select the table that contains the dependent variable as the destination table. For the source data table, select the table that contains the independent variable that you want to use, and then choose the independent variable from that drop-down. In this case, we'll select heating degree days. Clicking the green check mark will then merge the independent variable data into the table with the dependent variable. If the time periods for the dependent and independent variable data do not align, merging will automatically adjust or group the data so that the time periods align with the dependent variable. These steps will need to be repeated for each independent variable you want to use, such as cooling degree days or production values. Now that we have all our data in one table, we're ready to create a model.